Here we are in Northwich Town Centre. I buy, sell, repair in level 1. Come with me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give.
Okay, so we're doing special offer on back glass replacement on iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 10. That's X, XS, XS Max, XR. As you can see, we have every single conceivable colour. We've also got in stock iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 11 Pro. The offer of £50 unfortunately does not cover the 11, so you'll have to contact us and we'll give you the price on them. This is a same day repair service. Drop your phone off, pick it up later on. There's the first one that we've done. No appointment needed.